What is up, guys? It's your girl Hannah Marie, and I'm back with another video. As you see from today's title, we're going to be recreating a hairstyle. So I have never even tried this hairstyle. I've tried something similar, but this is the hairstyle that we're going to be recreating. Let's see if I can do it, and I also want you to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 on how good I recreated this. So before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I post videos like this one. To recreate this hairstyle, we're going to need products. What products are you going to need? I'm about to tell you. First and foremost, got to be glue. Kinky Curly Original Custard. This right here is literally the holy grail to curly hair. That'll be a whole different video in itself. You're gonna need a, I call this a smoothing brush. You call it whatever you want, but it's a brush like this that has bristles and it's pretty hard. Just a regular brush, a toothpick comb, and then an edge brush. And lastly, bands. So as you can tell, I have my hair wrapped in an all cotton t-shirt. That is very, very important, whether you have curly hair, straight hair. I would say no hair, but that's self-explanatory. I don't think that would go the same for that. But it's important, if you have hair, to dry it with a 100% cotton shirt or towel if you can find one. I can never find a 100% cotton towel. I just use a cotton shirt because everybody and their mama has a cotton shirt up in the drawer. So if you don't do that, you need to start doing that, because if you just dry your hair with the towel or literally just let it air dry, it's gonna be frizzy. It's not gonna look good, and that's not what we want. I have it wrapped in a shirt. So let's get started. I'm starting with a freshly washed base. And as you can see, it's still a little wet, but that is okay. The first thing we're gonna do is put in our product. You can use whatever product you have. I'm just giving you the keys because I know sometimes people like to know what other products people use. So you just wanna put in your everyday curling gel or whatever you use in your hair. If you're curly head like me, then 9 times out of 10 you use gel. I feel like everybody uses gel. And to ensure that I get everything, I'm just gonna split it into 2, making sure I get up under, get all these curls. Oops, under inbox. Okay, this side. Make sure when you're putting product in your hair, you start from the root all the way down to the ends. Because sometimes we tend to forget that, and then you'll wonder like, oh, why is part of my hair like looking good and then the other part not looking good? Because sometimes I do that. It's okay. Get my toothpick comb, because as you see, there's 2 pieces in the front that she curls. So we're gonna just separate that, and it's easier to do it with the toothpick comb. So I would say about 1 inch down. Now that I got that side, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Now, the next part, I'm just gonna twist this together so I don't get it mixed up with this next part. I'm going to take my Got To Be Glued, put about that much, and I'm gonna be slicking my hair back. Because remember, we're having to do like a high pony. So I just want to make sure I get all of that slicked back. Even the parts underneath your hair, you want to make sure that you get that nice and slicked as well. Now I'm going to take that smoothing brush and smooth all the hair back to make a very nice smooth base. And I'm looking in the mirror, that's why I'm looking that way. So I'm gonna do that real quick and come back. Make sure you don't get these pieces, but you're gonna, see, sometimes it'll reach for these other pieces. And I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing. And yes, your arm may get a little tired, because mine is. But beauty is pain. I feel like all girls know that by now. And I'm gonna take it one last time and do this part and smooth it back. Now that I have a pretty smooth base, as you can see, flip it over to this side. As you see, it's pretty smooth. That's what you want. Now, so your arm doesn't break off, we're going to put this into a ponytail holder. And I would do this as tight as the ponytail holder can go. I know sometimes if you have your hair too tight, it'll give you a headache, but trust me, it'll be worth it. And then we're gonna bring these two pieces in. Ow. Hitting my arm. We're gonna tighten it. Okay? So as you see, I have the pony in place. And the girl, she didn't do her edges, but I'm a real big edges girl, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a edge because that's just who I am. I'm just gonna do it like that. This side is lower than that side, so I'm gonna fix that. And yeah, as you see, I just did a quick little edge. And I'll probably do this too. Actually, I am gonna do this, the little sideburn edges. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. We're going to wet these little pieces because as you see, they are looking very dry. And I'm gonna reapply some more product. Just gonna put it on in there. What I like to do, especially for these little pieces, I like to just curl them around my finger and then just wait for about a minute or two. And then scrunch it. Scrunch it. Okay, okay. We're getting somewhere, we're getting somewhere. Lastly is the rubber band part for the ponytail itself. I have all these different color bands, but I think today I'm going to just play it safe, or I could get pink to match my outfit. Yeah, I'm gonna do pink. So she did 5, so I'm gonna take out 5 pink rubber bands. Now this hairstyle is really, really simple and easy, especially if you wanna do like the pony part of it. We're going to take one of our rubber bands and put it about an inch or 2 below the actual original ponytail that we put in. I'm putting it about like an inch or 2 from the base. And we're gonna keep doing that down until we get all the way to the end. And if you have curly hair like me, sometimes your curls will do like it just did and stick out, but it's okay, because you can fix it. See, like sometimes it comes out, but that really just depends on how your hair is. Like if you have shorter hair than most hairs, if that makes sense. Make sure it's even, please, because if it ain't even, then it's gonna look crazy and we ain't doing all of that. This should be the last hair tie that I use. And as you see, this end is looking a little crusty. So I'm gonna wet it again and put a little bit more product at the end, because like I said, sometimes we be missing spots and some of your hair be getting neglected and don't get product, so we're gonna fix that. Now that we have our whole pony done, we're gonna take these pieces and kind of just pull them apart just a little bit. Nothing too crazy, because you don't want to mess it up, but you want to give it that shape like the girl had, right? So do it like that. And then the top one I'm gonna do, I mean, I am done. As you see, it is like the inspiration, and I think I did a really good job. What do you guys think? Rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. I feel like it's a solid 9. I feel like there's a little bit more that I could improve myself and add to it to make it look even better. But I mean, for me to have done this hairstyle only one time and seeing the video, I mean, it looks exactly like it. She's giving, okay. Period, period, period. Y'all see that? Don't play. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you rate this recreation. I truly want to know if I'm just gassing myself up or if I can recreate hairstyles. I mean, for the most part, I think I did a really good job, but y'all guys let me know. Let me know if I'm just tripping. Okay, until next time,